Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to react to a message on the X app, using the most up-to-date steps. Reactions are a quick and simple way to respond without typing out a full reply, and learning how to use them can make your conversation smoother and more fun. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can reach your messages. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, and one of them is the message icon. Tap on that to open your inbox. Here you'll see all of your recent conversations. Scroll through and select the chat you want to open. Just tap on the conversation, and it will bring up all the messages you've exchanged with that person or group. Now comes the fun part, reacting to a specific message. Find the exact message in the conversation that you'd like to respond to. Next to it, or sometimes right on the message bubble, you'll notice a small react icon. This icon looks like a little smiley face or an emoji, depending on the device you're using. Go ahead and tap it. A small menu of different reactions will pop up. From here, you can choose the one that best matches your response. Whether that's a thumbs up, a heart, a laughing face, or something else, just tap your chosen reaction, and it will instantly appear on the message. The person on the other end will immediately see your reaction, letting them know how you felt about what they said with just a quick tap. And that's it. You've successfully reacted to a message on the X app. It's a simple process, but it can really add personality to your conversations. Instead of always typing back, using reactions can help you share your feelings in a faster and more visual way. So remember the steps. Open the X app, tap on the message icon, choose a conversation, and then press the react icon on the message you want to respond to.